Say again.
Okay, now
Yeah.
talks about the project.
Okay. See, they for API, they told me to share all those things, Facebook login and my business letter and WhatsApp. They link. Now, what we have to do? We have to do. Uh, uh, Now we have to do the ads for that. Okay. In Facebook, we given another number for what KPI. They told me to take another new number. So before processing that, we have to check whether which number is in Facebook. Okay, the same number should be in the Facebook. The same number should be in the Instagram. We have to link this WhatsApp API number to ads. Okay, the ad should be within that ad. The image we have to keep this number only. This number, this new number. Okay, got my point.
Hello, there have very noise.
Hello.
Yes, there have very noise.
Okay, fine. So you please log in and check how it is there, what the numbers are there. So we can, if you want to change, we can change first. Okay. Until then, I will check now. I will check the image and I will send you. Okay.
Okay, so you want set up the Facebook ads campaign, right?
Facebook and Insta.
Facebook and Insta and direct chat by WhatsApp.
Direct chat the WhatsApp.
Okay. Do you have any
First, you check
do
this.
you have any other plan?
Any other plan means what?
Only WhatsApp ads, or do you have other plan? Means Google ads campaign.
No. First, initially we check with this. Okay, Facebook and Insta. After that, we'll try some other. Okay. So,
Okay, no problem. So I will set up the WhatsApp ads campaign, right?
okay. What the that from where? From Facebook, right?
Yes.
Just, you just please check what the number is there. Okay. So I can work on. Have to change the number of.
Okay, after the meeting, give me your new WhatsApp business number, and your WhatsApp API setup is complete.
Okay.
Hello, your WhatsApp API setup complete. WhatsApp API.
It's done. It's done. It's done. One more thing. You can see ads in Facebook itself. You have the logins. You can see directly in that ad what the
O-
ads are there. I will share you how.
Okay, okay, I understand. So the audience same and the customer age and customer location means
Customer
targeted
age is,
location,
I told
all
that.
the same.
Ah, all is same. Same. I will type to you. India, station,
Okay, location is India
location is India, females group,
and only for females.
only for female, age 21, 21 to.
Are you busy there?
No, tell me. Please. Akka,
Okay.
Brother, आपका order ये था?
Okay.
हाँ
Do you
होती
have any question?
है. No, I don't have any question, but you will do right now, right? You will do now.
Okay. Okay. I need 1 day.
Tell me.
I need 1 day for setup the ads campaign.
हाँ, okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. Joining the meeting.
No, you are doing right now, right? You are doing now. I will be online. You want to do
Right
afterwards? How
now.
it is? No, you are doing now or afterwards?
Uh, I want to after the meeting.
You want to do after meeting?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I will set up the ads campaign and I will let you know after the meeting. Okay.
Okay.